Jai Hind, this is Rakesh Sahu from PSC Academy. Today we are going to discuss in world geography North America continent. There are 23 countries in North America continent. We will design all 23 countries of North America in such a way that which country touches which other countries or not. Right now I am going to draw all 23 countries of North America continent. Look at here. This is Alaska, which is a part of United States of America. This is North America continent. North America continent. North America continent directly touches the South America continent. I am going to draw the upper part of South America continent. This is South America continent. This is the upper portion of South America continent. This is North America continent. This is Canada. This is Canada. This is Canada. This is United States of America. This is Mexico. This is Mexico. Below the Mexico, there are 7 continuous countries. I am drawing to 5 countries below the Mexico. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This one 6, this one 7. This is Canada, USA, Mexico. Here is an island. Here is an island. This is called Baffin Island. Baffin Island. Baffin Island is a part of Canada. Baffin Island is a part of Canada. There are more than 52,000 islands in Canada. There are more than 52,000 islands in Canada, which is 52,455 islands in Canada. This is Baffin Island. Here is another island. This is known as Greenland. This is known as Greenland. Greenland is the biggest or largest in size island in the world. Greenland is the biggest island in the world. Greenland is occupied by Denmark. Greenland is occupied by Denmark. As we know that Denmark is a European country. Denmark is a European country. It means Greenland is a political part of Europe continent, but it is nearest to North America continent. But Greenland is a part of Europe continent, but it is very near to North America continent. Greenland is the biggest island in the world, and Greenland is occupied by Denmark, or you can say Greenland is a part of Denmark. This is Baffin Island. Baffin Island is a part of Canada. It means it is a part of North America. This is Canada. This is USA. This portion is known as Alaska. This is Alaska, and Alaska is a part of USA. Alaska is a part of USA. Alaska is very near to, this is Russia. This is Russia. It means Alaska is very nearest to Russia. In between Alaska and Russia, here is a strait. A strait means a strait connects to water space and disconnects to two land spaces. Here is a strait. Look at here. Here is a strait. Here is a strait. Above this strait, here is Arctic Ocean. Here is Arctic Ocean. This is Arctic Ocean. This is Arctic Ocean. And below this strait, this is Bering Sea. Bering Sea. That's why this strait is known as Bering Strait. This is Bering Strait. It means Bering Strait connects two water spaces, Arctic Ocean and Bering Sea, and Bering Strait disconnects two land spaces, that is Russia and Alaska. Alaska is a part of USA. Alaska is a part of USA. This is Baffin Island and this is Green Island. Here is Baffin Sea. This water space is known as Baffin Sea. Baffin Sea is a part of Arctic Ocean. Here is Baffin Sea. This is Baffin Sea. This is Baffin Sea, and Baffin Sea is a part of Arctic Ocean. This is Labrador Sea. This is Labrador Sea, and Labrador Sea is a part of Atlantic Ocean. Here is Atlantic Ocean. Here is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. This is known as Hudson Bay. This is known as Hudson Bay. This is known as Hudson Bay. And this is Gulf of California. This is known as Gulf of California. This is Gulf of California. This water space, this gulf is known as Alaska Gulf, or you can say Gulf of Alaska. This is 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 Baffin Island, which is part of Canada. This is Greenland, which is part of or occupied by Denmark. This is Baffin Sea and this is Labrador Sea. Here is a strait. This strait connects Baffin Sea with Labrador Sea and disconnects Baffin Island with Greenland. This is known as Davis Strait. This is known as Davis Strait. This is known as Davis Strait. It means Davis Strait disconnects Baffin Island to Greenland and connects Baffin Sea with Labrador Sea. Labrador Sea is a part of Atlantic Ocean and Baffin Sea is a part of Arctic Ocean. It means we can say Davis Strait connects Baffin Sea means Arctic Ocean and Labrador Sea means Atlantic Ocean. This is Hudson Bay. This country is known as Mexico. Here is Gulf of Mexico. This 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 is Atlantic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. And here is Pacific Ocean. Here is Pacific Ocean. Look at here. Below the Mexico, there are 7 continuous countries. This one first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this one 6 and 7. This is Guatemala. This country is known as Guatemala. This country is known as Guatemala. This country is known as Guatemala. Guatemala. This country is known as Honduras. Honduras. Guatemala, Honduras. Guatemala, Honduras. Guatemala, Honduras. This is Nicaragua. This is Nicaragua. This is Nicaragua. Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua. Nicaragua. This is Costa Rica. This is Costa Rica. This is Costa Rica. This is Costa Rica. Costa Rica. And this is Panama. This is Panama. Look at here. There are 5 continuous countries below the Mexico. Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama. In between Mexico and Guatemala, this is Belize. This country is known as Belize. This is Belize. In between Mexico and Guatemala, this country is known as Belize. In between Guatemala and Honduras, here is a country. This is El Salvador. This is El Salvador. This is El Salvador. Below the Mexico, there are 5 continuous countries. First, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica and Panama. In between Mexico and Guatemala, this country is known as Belize. In between Guatemala and Honduras, this country is known as El Salvador. This is South America continent. This is South America continent. South America continent directly touches the North America continent. The country of South America continent, this country is of South America continent, and this is Colombia. This is Colombia. This is Colombia. It means Colombia touches Panama, or you can say Panama touches Colombia. Colombia is a country of South America. This is Colombia. It means Panama, which is country of North America, and Colombia, which is country of South America. These 2 countries touches each other. This is Panama and this is Colombia. Look at here. Look at here. This is Panama. This is Panama. This whole water space is known as Atlantic Ocean, and this whole water space is known as Pacific Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean. Panama country had developed a canal in between Panama. This is a canal. This is a canal. This canal is developed by Panama country. This canal is known as Panama Canal. This canal is known as Panama Canal. This is known as Panama Canal. And Panama Canal had been developed in 1914. Panama Canal had been developed in 1914. 15th August 1914. Panama Canal had been developed in 15th August 1914. It had been started 1904 and it has been developed in 1914. 15th of August 1914. This is Panama Canal. Panama Canal has been developed in Panama country by Panama. This is Panama Canal. It means Panama Canal which connects Atlantic Ocean with Pacific Ocean. This is Panama Canal. Panama Canal connects Pacific Ocean with Atlantic Ocean. This is Panama Canal, which is situated in Panama country. Panama Canal had been started in 1904 and it had been completed in 15th of August 1914. Look at here. Here is a country. This is Bahamas. This is Cuba. This is Jamaica. In this island there are two countries, Haiti and Dominican Republic. This is Kitts and Nevis. This is Antigua and Barbuda. We are going to discuss remaining countries of North America continent. Look at here. This is Bahamas. This is Bahamas. This is Bahamas. This is Cuba. This is Cuba. This is Cuba. This island is occupied by, half of the portion is occupied by Cuba and half of the portion is occupied by USA. It means this island is divided into two parts. First part is occupied by Cuba and second part is occupied by USA. It means we can say Cuba touches USA, not this portion. Cuba is not touching this portion of USA. Cuba touches this portion of USA. It means Cuba is making land border with USA because this island is occupied by both Cuba and USA. This is Bahamas, Cuba and USA. We have discussed here Canada, USA, Mexico, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama and Panama Canal. Right now we are going to discuss all remaining countries of North America continent. This is Bahamas, this is Cuba. This island is occupied by both Cuba and USA. It means Cuba is making land border with USA. This is Jamaica. This is Jamaica. This is Jamaica. This island is divided into two countries. The first portion is known as Haiti. Haiti is a country and the second portion is known as Dominican Republic. Dominican Republic. This is Dominican Republic. The half of the portion of this island is known as Haiti. Haiti is a country, and the second portion is known as Dominican Republic. It means Haiti and Dominican Republic are making land border with each other. This country, this is also an island country. This island country is known as Kitts and Nevis. Kitts and Nevis. This island country is known as Kitts and Nevis. This island country is known as Antigua and Barbuda, or you can say Barbuda. Look at here. This is Kitts and Nevis. This island country is known as Antigua and Barbuda. Below the Antigua and Barbuda and below the Kitts and Nevis, there are 6 continuous countries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 continuous country below the Kitts and Nevis and Antigua and Barbuda. Look at here. This first country is known as Barbados. This is known as Barbados. This country is known as Barbados. This is Dominica. This country is known as Dominican Republic, but this is Dominica. This country is known as Antigua and Barbuda. This is Barbuda, but this is what? Barbados, and this is Bahamas. This country is known as Saint Lucia. This country is known as Saint Lucia, and this country is known as Saint Vincent and Grenadines. This country is known as Saint Vincent and Grenadines. This country is known as Grenada. This is Grenadines, but this is Grenada. This country is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Look at here. This is Bahamas. This island is known as Cuba. This island is occupied by Cuba and USA. It means Cuba is directly making the land border with USA. This is Jamaica. This island is divided into 2 countries, Haiti, and the half of the portion is known as Dominican Republic. This island country is Kitts and Nevis. This island country is Antigua and Barbuda. This island country is known as Barbados. This island country is Dominica. This island country is Saint Lucia. This island country is Saint Vincent and Grenadines. This island country is Grenada. This island country is Trinidad and Tobago. And this is South America continent. It means Panama is a country of North America continent and Colombia is a country of South America continent, which touches each other. Panama and Colombia. Here is Panama Canal, which had been developed in 1914. Panama Canal is developed by Panama country. Panama Canal connects Atlantic Ocean with Pacific Ocean. This water space is known as Gulf of California. This is Gulf of California. This whole water space is known as Gulf of Mexico. This water space is known as Hudson Bay. This water space is known as Labrador Sea. The upper portion of this water space is known as Baffin Sea. Here is Atlantic Ocean. Baffin Sea is also part of Atlantic Ocean, and this is Bering Sea. Bering Sea is a part of Pacific Ocean. Gulf of California is also part of Pacific Ocean, and this water space is known as Gulf of Alaska. Gulf of Alaska is also part of Pacific Ocean. Gulf of Mexico, Hudson Bay, Labrador Sea, these whole seas are the part of Atlantic Ocean. Here we have discussed all 23 countries of North America continent. Look at here. We will revise it. This one is Alaska. Alaska is a part of USA. This is Canada. In the upper portion of Canada, there are lots of islands. In the upper portion of Canada, there are lots of islands. These whole islands is a part of Canada. These whole islands is a part of Canada. Baffin Island is also part of Canada. Canada claims there are 52,455 islands in Canada. There are total 52,455 islands in Canada. This is Canada, this is USA. Mexico. Below the Mexico, there are 7 continuous countries. This one is Guatemala, this one is Honduras, this one is Nicaragua, this one is Costa Rica, this one is Panama. In between Mexico and Guatemala, here is Belize. In between Guatemala and Honduras, here is El Salvador. Remaining countries of North America continents, these whole countries are island country. Bahamas is also island country. Bahamas. Cuba is also island country. Jamaica. This island is divided into 2 countries, Haiti and Dominican Republic. This is Kitts and Nevis. Antigua and Barbuda. This is Barbados. Dominica, Saint Lucia, Saint Vincent and Grenadines, Grenada, Trinidad and Tobago. This is Trinidad and Tobago. Panama directly touches with Colombia. Colombia is a part of South America continent. We will discuss South America continent in the next class. Here we have discussed all 23 countries of North America continent. Look at here. Greenland is geographically connects the North America continent, but politically Greenland is a part of Europe because Greenland is occupied by Denmark and Denmark is European country. That's why Greenland is politically is under control of Europe continent, but geographically Greenland is very nearer to North America continent. This is Greenland. Greenland is an island. Greenland is the biggest island in the world and it is occupied by Denmark. Here we have discussed all 23 countries of North America continent. In the next class we will discuss all countries of South America continent. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.